Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I would like to share with you how to install VLC Media Player in Ubuntu 20.04 using terminal. For that, first open our terminal and here type sudo apt install VLC. By running this, it will ask our password, then enter your password. Tap yes or Y to continue. It will take some time to install. Make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or data connection. And this sudo apt install is a basic command in terminal to install new apps. We are almost finished. Yes, now our VLC Media Player is successfully installed. It's ready to launch. So to launch our VLC player, simply just type VLC. Yes, our VLC Media Player is now ready to launch, and just type continue. That's it. Our VLC Media Player is ready. We can also show it in the applications. Yes, it's that simple. So, hope you like my video. For more such videos, please subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. Thank you so much.